Okay, so let's review the DICOM file formats on a DICOM CD. What we talked about with the CT scanner sending to the PACS archive was how chatty it was, how much communication there was, how much there was send this packet, take this packet back and forth. There's no back and forth when you put a CD into the CD drive. So how does that communication get done? Well, there are three important DICOM tag groups. The 00, 0002 group, 0004, and 0008. How I remember them is 2 plus 2 is 4, and then 4 plus 4 is 8. The 0002 group does the work of the DICOM handshake through the transfer syntax UID. The PC will have some kind of DICOM reading software, something like eFilm Lite or Sante DICOM Viewer. The 0002 group will provide the information to the software and work out how they're going to communicate. The 0004 group is the index. It tells the DICOM reading software what's on the CD and where to find it on the CD. Lastly is the 0008 group. It's the data object information. It's the IOD data. The 0002 and 0004 group is not meant to be human readable. The 0008 group is meant for the humans to be able to read it. So if I put a blank CD in the CT console and burn a patient study, the CT console is using MWrite to burn that CD. If it didn't work, I would check to see if the MWrite service was running. If I put a CD of a patient study they brought from someplace else into the CT console, it uses MRead to read the CD. If that didn't work, go into the PC services and see if MRead service is running. The other services you don't get called about, but this is what they do. mdelete deletes existing files. minquire file set inquires about the free space on the disk. minquire file is ask about the date and time of the file creation. The media storage services manage the files and the file space on the CD. If a CT workstation can make a CD, it's a file set creator. If it reads a CD when you put it in it, it's a file set reader. If it can add or remove stages from a CD, it's a file set updater. Thank you for watching the DICOM file services update and review.